So let's continue our perspective one. Make sure that you click your save button after a significant amount of work. So we just learned how to divide the object into three parts using a block. If you have an object that you wanted to divide, okay, just like this portion over here, and it's just only a portion, you will have to either um, cut a portion of this object, okay, by trimming the whole part, or if you intend to bring this back later, what you can do is you can do a break. So on the command prompt, we can type in br uh, for break, or we can repeat complete the whole break command. Okay, press enter, and then you can pick somewhere along the line here, and then click the endpoint of this line here. Okay, and what it will do is it will actually break that line into two pieces now. Okay, two pieces without trimming, um, without trimming the line. Okay, so now we are ready to divide this line using the same process as we have learned before. We will type in divide. We will select the line we want to divide. We will select the block and use X2 to divide that line. I will just answer yes to a line and answer 3 to divide this line. Okay, so I can now divide or draw a line from this intersection by typing a line, or I can yeah, let's just do a line, intersection, and straight down outside here because we're gonna trim that portion later. Another line command, so L enter is a shortcut for line. Click the intersection, straight down, go beyond so we can trim it later. Press escape to stop, and then we're going to trim TR for trim, and then simply trim this and trim that. Oh, there you go. Press enter to stop, and then you can now erase the blocks that you used to mark your divisions. Okay, so again, we use the break command to split this line into two parts. So BR to break. I want to break this line, and I want to break it here at this intersection. So now we can either now have a gap. Okay, it didn't create a gap here, and we can simply connect these two together using the fillet command if it didn't break it apart like that. So now we have the connection, or have broken this line into two parts. Okay, so we are ready again to divide. Press enter, and then select the line. Click block, type in the block X2, press enter, and then answer yes. And then type in 3, press enter. You now have again 3 divisions. Just do a line at the intersection, straight down and go beyond. Press enter, and then you can repeat your last command. If your last command was line, you don't need to type in L enter. You can simply press enter, and pressing enter without any command will just repeat the last command. So just press enter. Because our command was line, it just repeated the line command, which is our last command. Again, go beyond, straight down, and then use TR to trim, and then erase those extra lines beyond that line, and then erase the blocks that we use for markers. Okay, so again, for our tutorial, we use the break command to split a line, okay, into two parts. If it creates a gap for you, you have to connect them again, okay, using the fillet command. Uh, and then we are now ready to move on and create the perspective of this line once we have created the grid on this bottom portion. Okay.